Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class. Now I am going to discuss the topic integers, 6th standard, exercise 4C. Listen, determine whether the sum is positive or a negative or 0. That I am going to find out here. See, I am going to simplify this and I am going to write whether it is in a positive integer or in the negative integer or it is a 0. Suppose if the value comes for me positive means it is a positive integer. Suppose when it comes in negative means negative integer. Suppose when I simplify, if I can get the answer to be a 0 means it is a 0. Listen, 20 plus 16. So just you have to add this 20 plus 16. See here, 20 plus 16 is what? 36. Both the integers are positive. Listen children, both the integers are positive. So when I am adding that, I can get the positive integer. So the answer is positive. The answer is positive. When I am adding the two positive integer, I can get the positive answer. Now come here, see this minus 21 as well as plus into minus 9. Just how I am going to do this, listen. See this, minus 21 write as it is. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. So, when I see here, two negative integer. If my sign are same, I am adding means I have to write as it is a sign and I am going to add this 21 and 9. So the answer is what? 30. Listen, if I am adding the two positive integer, I can get the answer positive. If I am adding the two negative integer, I can get the answer in negative. So the answer is what? The negative is the answer. See here, minus 100 plus 80, negative integer as well as a positive integer. If the sign are different means, what I have to do? I have to subtract. If the sign are same, I have to add. Sign same means I have to add. Listen, minus 21 minus 9, my signs are same. So I am adding that integer and put that sign here. Here minus sign is there, so for that minus symbol. Plus sign is there, so for that plus symbol. But here alternate sign, minus integer plus integer, alternate sign. So what I have to do? Subtract. So when I subtract 100 minus 80, the answer is what? 20. See this? Which having more here? Negative integer as a more. So I have to put that symbol. Negative integer is what? Minus 100. So after subtracting, I have to put that symbol and then I am going to write the answer. Can you clear this? Now what answer I can get here? Negative. Negative is my answer. Listen. Can you understand this? Alternate sign, so I subtracted. After subtracting this, I can get answer 20 and negative having a more. So for that, I put that negative symbol there and I written the answer. Now my answer is negative. See, when you seeing the E sum, alternate symbol, but the integers are what? Same. So what is that? Minus 15 plus 15, it is 0. So the answer is 0. Can you clear children? How can I can identify whether it is a positive or negative or 0? Like this only. When I am coming for the F sum, listen, minus 4 just you write, first you remove the bracket and then we can simplify this. Minus 4 write as it is, and plus into minus minus 7, again plus into minus minus 8. See all the integers are in negative, so I can add and put the negative symbol. 4 plus 7 is what? 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. So minus 19 is my answer. And I am going to write whether it is a positive or a negative or a 0. What it is? A negative. So the answer is negative. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, ma? Next we will move on to the sum. See, 5 more than 2. 5 more than means, listen children, more than you have to add. More means what? Add. So, 5 more than 2. So, what I have to do this? 2 plus 5. Got it? So, 2 plus 5 is what? 7. So, 7 is my answer. Now, 7 more than minus 2. I know that more than is plus. So, 7 plus of minus 2. So, 7 plus into minus, minus 2. So, the answer is 5. What is my answer? 5. Plus more than means I have to use here plus symbol. So, plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 2 is 5. Alternate symbol. So, I have to subtract. Here my positive integer is greater. So, for that I have written here plus symbol. But no need to mention there plus. If we keep it as it is also, it is a plus. See this? See sum. Less than means what I have to do? More than means plus. Same as less than means subtract. I am going to subtract. See, 8 less than 3. So, here less than is a from. We know the from concept. What is the from concept? From after what is the number that we have to write in the first. The same thing, less than after what is there that you have to write first. Less than means minus symbol. And what is there here? 8. Can you clear this? 3 minus 8. So, less than is what? It is same as a from. In the from concept, we will use from after what is the number that we will write first. The same thing, less than means 3 minus 8. Here my integers are in alternate. So, I am going to subtract this. What is this? 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So, 5 I have written, but which is having the more? Here, negative integer. So, for that I have to put the negative symbol here. Clear this? So, for that I am using here negative symbol. Now, listen. 4 less than minus 5. It is also minus, and what concept we are using here? From. That is less than is what? From only. Less than is what? Like same as from. So, minus 5 less than. So, I am going to put here subtract symbol. And what is here? 4 is there. So, 4. See, my sign are same. So, I am going to add that and I have to put the symbol. Can you clear? So, the answer is minus 9. See, now I am going to add. I am going to add the two positive integer 5 and 4. Both the sign are same. So, I am going to add and put the symbol plus, but no need to put the plus symbol. If it is minus means we have to mention that minus. Plus means no need to mention. Just write as it is answer. See here 6 plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus, minus. So 6 minus 4. What is that? Plus integer minus integer. So I am going to subtract this. 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 2. Why? Because of a positive integer you are having a, when compared to negative integer, positive integer is greater. So put the positive symbol here. And listen, see this, minus 2 plus 7 plus into minus 3. First you remove the bracket. So what is that? Minus 2 plus 7 plus into minus 3. First you simplify this 2. Minus 2 plus 7, just you simplify this. See, alternate symbol. So I am going to subtract this. So minus 2 plus 7 is what? 5. Because plus 7 minus 2. So answer is 5. Again 5 minus 3. So now you have to do this. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Can you clear this? The first step. See, this sums and are all only 2 integers we can simplify. But here 3 integers. So first do the 2 integers and complete that and move on to the third integer. So minus 2 plus 7 is what? 5. Again minus 3 is there. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now listen, here also remove the bracket. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 plus into minus 3. Got it? First you simplify this 2. 4 plus 5 is what? 9. 9 minus 3. Now you simplify this 2. 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So the answer is 6. So when I am, what you can understand in this? When I am adding the 2 positive integer, I can get the positive integer. When I am adding the 2 negative integer, I can get the negative integer. But when I am adding the positive integer and the negative integer, which integer having greater, that symbol will come. So we can understand in this concept. Next we will move on to, see this fifth sum. See the fifth sum. 10 plus into minus. Plus into minus. So 10 minus 4, which is 6. The answer is 6. Next, minus 6 plus 6. Positive integer is plus 6. Negative integer is minus 6. The answer is what? 0. Answer is 0. See, when you coming for this J sum, minus 3, just as it is you write. Plus into minus 7. Again plus into minus, you are removing the bracket here. Minus 4. See, all the integers are in negative. So I can add all together. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And what symbol I have to write here? Negative symbol. Because all are in negative. So I am going to write in the negative integer. Before going to the sixth sum, I want to recall for you the integers concept. Because I am going to compare the number here. Which one is a greater number, which one is a smaller number, and which one is equal to 0. So before going to the sixth sum, just we will recall this. Listen children. See, first thing, positive integer is greater than the negative integer. For example, 5. 5 is a positive or a negative? It is a positive only. And it is greater than minus 100. See this, minus 100. Because it is in positive, it is in what? Negative. So, obviously, the positive integer is greater. This is for example. And see this second concept. 0 is greater than the negative integer. For example, listen, 0, it is greater than minus 50. For example, minus 50. So, 0 is greater than what? Minus 50. And third example is 0 is less than positive. For example, 100, 5, 2, 3, these are the positive integers. So, 0 is less than 100. So, please you remember this concept. Now, listen children, insert greater than, equal or less than to make a true statement. So, I am going to simplify this 2 and this 2 concept, and I am going to insert here whether it should be a less than or greater than or equal. See, listen children, minus 10 plus 6, alternate integers, that is minus negative integer as well as the positive integer. So, obviously I am going to subtract this. So, 10 minus 6 is 4, which is having a more negative integer. So, for that I put the minus symbol there and make a box. Listen, 5 plus into minus is what? Minus 8. Plus into minus, minus 8. See, listen, minus 4 box, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8. So, what is this? Minus 3. Alternate integers, that is plus and minus. So, I am going to subtract this and negative having more. So, for that I am putting that negative symbol. Now you have to compare this. See, both are in negative. Listen children, both the sign are in negative. Here how I am going to compare this. If it is a positive, negative, yes you are comparing, and 0 with negative and 0 with positive. But negative means how I am going to compare. See, in a negative, which is a small number, that has to be the greater. Got it? So, when I am compare with minus 4 and minus 3, minus 3 is a greater. Which one? In the negative. If both are in the negative symbol, which is in the smaller number, that to be a greater. Got it? If you are comparing in a positive integer, 3 and 4 means 4 is greater. But here you are comparing what? Negative integer. So, negative, which is a smaller integer, that has to be a greater. So, now I am going to write the answer for this. Write the question as it is. Minus 10 plus 6 box 5 plus into minus 8 is lesser. Now, when I am coming for the B sum, listen, minus 8 plus 25 box minus 25 plus 18, just they are changing the sign alone. The numbers are same, only the thing they are changing the sign. So, minus 8 plus 25, negative as well as positive. So, I am going to subtract this. So, my answer is what? 7 and plus 25. So, for that plus 7 there. And see here also what? Minus 25 plus 18. Same, when I am subtract I can get the answer. But see here minus 25. So, I have to put the symbol minus 7. I am comparing the positive integer with negative integer. So, positive integer is greater. So, 7 is greater than minus 7. Now, write the answer for this. Minus 18 minus 18 plus 25 box minus 25 plus 18, put the symbol. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Next I will move on to the D sum. See here, minus 8 plus 8. See, minus 8 plus 8. What is that? 0. Negative integer as well as the positive integer same means what is the answer here? 0. And see this 17 plus into minus, minus 17 minus 20. Now 0, make a box. 17 minus 20 is minus 3 because negative integer is greater here. So for that minus symbol, I am comparing 0 with negative integer. Obviously 0 is a greater. So write the answer here. Minus 8 plus 8 is greater than 17 plus into minus 20. Can you clear this? Now write the additive inverse. Additive inverse means if I am having the positive integer, I am going to write that into negative. See, 15 means minus 15 because plus 15 it is. So minus 15 and minus 6 means plus 6. So plus means minus, minus means plus, but 0 means as it is 0. Additive means you have to inverse, that is plus means minus, minus means plus when you are going to write in the answer. So 0 means as it is 0 you have to write. So answer the additive inverse. Listen, the additive inverse of 15 is minus 15. So plus integer, when I am writing in answer, it is a negative integer. So the same thing, the additive inverse, listen children, the additive inverse of minus 6 is plus 6. So no need to write this plus 6. You can write it as to be 6 also, no problem. So we have seen the additive inverse of 15 and the additive inverse of minus 6. Next we will move on to the 0. See, 0 means the additive inverse of 0 is what? 0. Additive inverse of 0 is additive inverse of 0 is 0 because 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. So additive inverse of 0 is what? 0. They will ask in a 1 mark question, children. Thank you.